Brad Williams, Excel Prime, place rows 6 through 14 and columns 2 and 3 into a new list, similar to what we've done in the past. Here, our formula reads B5 to D18. That is our data. There's our list. 5 is what? Rows. What's number 1? Column. What does that mean? It means we're going to chop off the first 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to chop off the first column, leaving us with round 1, round 2, starting at row 6. Look here. Look at 78, 78, 85, 85. If you look down, just go from there, you're going to see these matching data. Bit confusing. You can get lost here quickly because you're not following this. You don't know this outlay. And you pass this off to someone else, they're going to go, what the heck is this? This is not helpful. But the tool that shows that you can implement this, you at least need to leave some breadcrumbs, because this is going to be hard to follow and people are not going to be able to decipher this. And what if there's multiple 78s in here? What are you going to do? That's the issue with this particular example, but the point is, this is a tutorial. It's just an introduction, and you would never do this in real life. It's not a very good practical application. This is just an introduction. I can do this. I can go B5 and can do something like this. -1. How's that? That's a little easier to get, huh? Here we can look at Dan and Richard, Rebecca, and it's a little easier to match. What would make it even easier is if you had a row count next to it, but that's getting ahead of ourselves. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.